the Oklahoma City Thunder announced on Wednesday night that All-Star forward Paul George underwent a surgical procedure on his left knee, and will be offside for 6 to 8 weeks. Although knee surgeries are never good news, this seems relatively minor, and it seems that George should have no problem getting ready for the start of next season. Of course, where George will play at the start of next season is going to be one of the main questions of the off-season. After George's first season with the Thunder came to an end disappointingly with a first-round playoff loss to the Utah Jazz, there is much speculation that it could also be the last in Oklahoma City. Holding a player option for next season, George is expected to choose not to honor his contract and become an unrestricted free agent. The Thunder will certainly have a good chance to re-sign it, but there will be many other suitors, especially Los Angeles Lakers.